up, guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. I'm Ansar. I'm here with my brother Al, and today we're going to continue working on the Audi Q3. What we're going to do is we're going to upgrade these fog lights and make them that weird light yellow color to this high intensity yellow color that we've done on the Mercedes and on the Audi, which I really like. These are the Hella Xtreme yellow. These are H11, 2900 Kelvin, and the part number, is there a part number on this? Here we go. I think it's just the H11YL for yellow. So first things first, let's get these fog light covers off. You don't have to take the bumper off to do this. So all you need is a little angle pick. There's a little hole right here. Slide it in. I'll push it in there like that, just so it catches on the back side, and then just pop the front out. Then it's gonna be slid into the side here, if you can see, and then you just pull it out the side. Now you're also gonna need a T25 Torx head, and we have one here, and it's 2 Torx screws that we need to take out. Like that. Just like that. And this should come out. Take your time. Let's see.
How much give you have on the cable?
It looks like it has decent give. It's just gonna take us a little time. There we go. We just gotta turn it, and then we got it. Awesome. And then we're gonna unplug it here. Just push down, and just shake it a little bit, and pop right out. Now with this, you're gonna do. I think these are like quarter turn, half turns, and then just pop the bulb out. Voila. Now let's get the other one out of the case. Be careful, you don't want to touch the bulbs with your hand. There we go. I'm just gonna slide
No,
it
I
in.
thought it was turned the other way and then turned down, no?
You like this?
Yeah, wasn't it like that and then went in and then turned down?
Oh, I guess so.
Push in and turn
There
down?
we go. I think that's it. That looks good. Looks like a good seal. Let me just take it out and push it in a little more. There we go. I hear a little click. Yeah, we just gotta slide this back in. You hear that other click? Voila. And then we just gotta get this back in there.
That don't look right to me. That is great. You got it.
Yeah, that's right. Just gotta get it slid in where you need it to be. 2 T25 Torx screws. Don't go too tight on it just yet. We want to make sure we position it correctly. And these don't have to be super tight. I mean, it's going into urethane, so we don't want to go crazy tight on these. Just snug. And then we'll take the plastic covering, push that one side in first, and then just click it in, and you're good to go. All right, so you know what? Let's turn the lights on, and you can see the difference between the two.
Nope. neither side. Now it's on. Wow, okay. That's one set. The other side is more of a lighter.
Yeah, this is like your OEM.
It's on.
This is like your OEM looking light, not very yellow. I mean, it doesn't really match the HIDs that come on the car, but if you want like a really nice contrast, I think this being this yellow, even on the Mercedes and everything, I think it looks really cool. It gives it a different look, you know, instead of running like HIDs in both. And as it warms up, it's gonna get more yellow, I think. That's what happened with the Mercedes. After it ran for a while, it got, you know, even brighter. You know, I like the contrast, you know, but it's an easy install. Like, what did it take us? 5 minutes, not even, to do. And just so you can see it on this side,
That's the standard.
this is a standard regular bulb that it comes with. That's the yellow, which looks really cool. Alright guys, let's get to the other side. We'll do the other side, and once they're both complete, I'll go step back outside the garage so you can get a better look at it from in front. Alright guys, we got both sides of the fog lights done. Super easy upgrade, really easy to do. In case one of your fog lights are out, you can follow the same steps to change out the bulbs. But we upgraded to a ultra yellow bulb from Hella. If you want to check it out, I mean, if Al turns the other side lights off, you can kind of get a better look at it. I think it looks really good. I like the yellow, like the really actual yellow light, you know, contrasting with the white bulbs instead of the regular stock bulbs. It kind of had that weird, like, cheap look to it. I kind of like the way this looks. I mean, you could technically go with like an ultra white bulb or something in case you wanted to go the other way, but you know, I kind of on a kick with doing this to the Audi, the Mercedes, and now to this. I think it's really cool. So we're gonna stick with that. I think that's pretty much all it says to be done. It literally took less than 10 minutes to do both sides. We're doing some other cleaning and working on some other videos in between. So we will catch you guys in the next video. Make sure to follow us on Instagram and at Twitter at Project Z Garage, and we will catch you in the next video.